Accommodation sa Bali na stylish, affordable, walking distance sa beach at malapit sa airport. This is Cara Cara Inn, located right in the Kuta area. Let me show you their Camper Plus room. May bunk beds with individual outlets, TV, refrigerator, at may small area na you can use as a workspace. Plus, I love how fast their Wi-Fi. May safety deposit box, complimentary coffee and tea, free bottled water at kettle. Sa shower, you'll find towels, toiletries, hair dryer, and bath soap. So everything you need for a comfortable stay ay nandito. The facilities are modern yet laid back. Maraming cozy spots to hang out at may relaxing pool area, perfect for unwinding after exploring Bali. Why I recommend it? First, malinis. I really enjoyed my stay here. Second, affordable. You can book it through Klook or Agoda and even use promo codes for extra savings. It's also walking distance to shops, restaurants, and the beach. And lastly, since Bali traffic can get intense, it helps na around 20 minutes away lang to sa airport. So if you're looking for a stylish, budget-friendly, and convenient place to stay in Bali, Cara Cara Inn is a great choice.